Introducing Leader's NDI checker. Maintaining complete visibility across your entire NDI network with Leader's live monitoring solution optimized for broadcast and Pro AV environments. NDI checker allows the measurement of the bit rate of the selected NDI signal. Precise bitrate monitoring gives you essential information about the bandwidth utilization of signal quality. Engineers can verify that each NDI source is operating within expected parameters, identify compression issues, and optimize network resources accordingly. By monitoring this key metric, production teams can ensure consistent quality while preventing network saturation that could impact multiple signals simultaneously. So, if you want to see what NDI Checker can do for your workflows and whether it's the right fit, download the trial version of the NDI Checker software and try it for yourself using the QR code displayed on the screen.